This video introduces how to configure policy-based routing (PBR) and Uniform Resource Locator (URL) routing on Ruijie Cloud. Routing policies function like an intelligent navigation system in the network world. Without routing policies, all data packets are sent through the default network outbound interface, which may cause traffic congestion and security risks. In the multi-WAN scenarios, routing policies can classify data packets and intelligently allocate forwarding paths, ensuring smooth network operation. Ruijie routers support various routing policies. This video introduces PBR and URL routing, as well as their configuration methods. PBR can determine an outbound interface to forward a data packet based on its parameters, such as the protocol type, source address, and destination address. For example, in the multi-WAN scenarios, you can configure a PBR policy to prioritize enterprise video conferencing traffic. Assume that the IP address range of video conferencing devices is from 192.168.1.50 to 192.168.1.60. The IP address range of the video conferencing application servers is from 149.137.0.1 to 149.137.255.254. And 1.1 is the high bandwidth outbound interface. This section uses this example to describe how to configure a PBR policy to perform flow control. Choose Device Config Routing to go to the configuration page. In the PBR area, click Add Route. Set protocol type to IP, covering TCP and UDP protocols used by all video conferences. Set source IP address to custom and custom source IP to IP address range of video conferencing devices. Set destination IP to custom and custom destination IP to the IP address range of the video conferencing application servers. Set outbound interface to WAN1. Toggle on status. Otherwise, the PBR policy does not take effect. Enter a policy name. Click Save. A PBR policy is created. This ensures all video traffic is forwarded through the high bandwidth outbound interface, preventing network freezes and delays. URL routing allows you to forward traffic destined for specific domain names through selected outbound interfaces, thereby achieving access control. Assume a company requires that traffic from the financial department, VLAN 10, to the financial system be routed through a dedicated VPN tunnel, WAN, to ensure data security. This section uses this example to describe how to configure a URL routing policy to perform flow control. Choose Device Config Routing to go to the configuration page. In the URL routing area, click Add. Set Select IP to VLAN to select VLAN 10. If the VLAN list does not contain the VLAN you want to select, click Add Custom IP Address or IP Address Range and enter the corresponding IP address range. Click Custom Websites and click Add. In the dialog box that appears, enter the URL to be managed. Set website name and URL, and click OK. Select the created URL from the drop-down list box. Set outbound interface to WAN. Toggle on outgoing interface failover detection as required. If you enable this feature, traffic will be forwarded through another outbound interface when WAN fails. Set the time during which the URL routing policy takes effect. Toggle on status. Otherwise, the URL routing policy does not take effect. Enter a policy name and click Save to complete the URL routing configuration. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.